Next, we'll create a detail group. On the Draw panel, click Line, and using the existing thin lines as a guide, draw wide detail lines as shown. Then click Modify and select the chain of lines using the Tab key and click Create Group. Name the group Flashing Membrane FD, and then drag the origin point so that it snaps to the right endpoint of the detail lines as shown. Press Escape, and next, to add break lines, from the Detail panel, click the Component drop-down and select Detail Component, and from the Change Element Type drop-down, select Break Line, and then bring your cursor into the drawing area and press spacebar 3 times to orient the component correctly and place it at the midpoint of the drain as shown. Place another one at the midpoint of the slab's left edge. Press Escape twice. Modify the break line boundaries using the grips as shown. Next, to add a keynote, from the Tag panel, click the Keynote drop-down and select User. Select the top of the drain as the object to tag, and then click the next 2 points to place the leader as shown. Then in the Keynotes dialog, expand Division 22, 221300 under 221316. Select 221316.A1 floor drain without waterproofing and click OK. Click Modify, and if necessary, select the keynote and drag the text to the right. Next, to add text notes, from the Annotate tab's Text panel, click Text, and on the Leader panel, click 2 segments, and from the Alignment panel, click Right. Then, locate the leader start point in the area shown. Then, move up and to the left and specify the second leader point and the text insertion point as shown, and type this note. Continue annotating the detail as shown. Next, to add dimensions, from the Dimension panel of the Annotate tab, click Aligned. Then, place a string of 2 dimensions by selecting the objects shown. Next, we'll place the detail on a sheet. In the project browser, under Sheets, double-click P103. Then, drag the typical floor drain detail from the project browser to the top center of the sheet as shown. Then, on the Element panel, from the Viewport Change Element Type drop-down, select Viewport Square and clear the selection and close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.